My real passion is helping people take control of their lives and then using their money to reach their life goals.
What D-Free means to me is it's a movement. You really have to think in terms of something for the rest of your life. I look at things ahead of time. I'm not, I just don't go shop and buy this. I actually look ahead of time. I think it through. Is this realistic? There was a time where I had to have a pair of shoes in every color. And I don't have to have a pair of shoes in every color. Only if I want to spend my money that way. I would like to do other things with my money than just spend it. Now that I'm D-Free, I can go on vacations. I can take care of my mother. I can take care of my grandmother. D-Free is, your brain is free. You can answer the telephone every single time it rings. It's relieving.
So I'm asking you to visit the church's website, fbcsomerset.com, and then click D-Free to take advantage of all of the D-Free resources and activities.